Hey everyone, welcome back to the Route 66 Restoration Channel, working on the 57210. And as you know, I put a bottom on this door on the inner bottom, and trying to do a test fit, but also working on this rocker panel down here. And so kind of giving you what I found here. Obviously you can see my hole in my A-pillar I've yet to patch, but I do have a pretty decent gap along here, and before this was tight up against the door, was tight up against that. Now as I go to the back here, it seems to be dropping a little bit and my gap's a little wide, but then the gap is a little narrow in the center here. Trying to get too close, sorry. The gap's a little narrow, so I think I'm going to try to adjust it a little bit more on this back side. Maybe just kind of try to widen the door frame a little bit just before I weld it. And so, but one of the key things is you're always looking to for these rocker panels to line up. And we get down here and you can see, now this is the inner door bottom that I put in new, but this is the outer, and you can see the original outer comes down and lines up. So this has got to be ground down a little bit, and then when I replace the skin, I will fit it better, but it's in the right place. So, and I knew pretty much that I would be, because there's like a little corner right in here, and that's where the rocker panel comes up to, into this corner. And so just working on that, but it's still a work in progress. Down here she's a little tight, but I'm not too worried, because that's all going to be replaced, and I'll gap it as I need to. But I think it looks pretty good all along there, so as per the original panel. So I think it's good. I'm happy. You know, I'm no expert. I'm not trying to make a 100-point car. It'd be pretty hard to do out of this anyways. But anyhow, just working on it and going forward. Take it easy. Like and subscribe if you want to see more content. It helps to let me know. And if you're enjoying what I'm doing, talk to you later.